I'm not sure if I can make you fall in love with arm balances as much as me, but here's a try for side crow or your Parsva Bakasana. So it's important to get a good twist first from a squat position, and it's really about this little elbow, this little wing. Rather than it sticking out, think about drawing it in and it becomes like a shelf for your hips to sit on. So that's a pretty easy starting position and that you might be able to achieve. Show you the leg split version, so resting the hips and opening the legs out. Once you've nailed that, then you can work towards not resting the hips on. So then it's that same as we did with Bakasana, that traveling forward. Rather than just thinking about lifting up, think about traveling forward, and you can work on that.